such as this one, would really exist? What if you sleep well knowing your security, your privacy is handled by the specialists, by the technicians? What if you would know there is something, there is a safe environment you could day by day use without caring for security, for phishing issues, for hackers, for the bad guys, and you'd know all your digital assets are safe handled? Would you like that?
Yes!
I don't feel a wish.
Yes!
Okay? I wish to have such a product, but I don't know if it's possible. I don't know. Fortunately, we have a super pretty lady here. She's called Miri, and she will bring me something. Handles all the headings for you. It's called the WIM. It wears our signature. It wears our compatible private key, the physical hardware private key. We've made it. We've made it. The world's first secured device, secured computer, a laptop, blockchain feature, operating security and privacy for you guys. This is the point, and I will come back to the baby shortly. So let's go back to the beginning of the security side. There's a very big demand in the market for a safe, for a secure environment, for a secure computer to handle all these things for you. Last year, at the point when I came in KARATBARS, I realized, because, you know, before I joined the KARATBARS family, before I dedicated my entire career to our family, to our project, I thought every single person I meet day by day in the office is just like me. The technicians I meet every day, my colleagues, my office mates, all of them are IT guys. We speak the same language. And I thought everybody's like me. Joining a super wide global company, such as KARATBARS, made me understand the world is not spinning around the IT technicians. No, they make the world work, but IT technicians are not everywhere. Not everybody speaks the same language as I do. So at that point, I asked Mr. Stites, do you think we can change something? Do you think we can bring something for our community, for our fields, for the entire world? Do you think it makes sense to train the doctors and the philosophy teachers to understand computer programming? Or is it better to work for them and offer them a turnkey solution for this? On top of that, then the other issues came. Okay, not everybody is using computers day by day. Not everybody is doing complicated tasks, complicated blockchain, cryptocurrency, K-merchant things. Most of the people just do text processing and video playing and stuff like that. So we said, okay, but we can make a super cool device. Blockchain featured, and in the same time, a regular computer, as you know computers nowadays. Me and my team at that time already developed the voice over blockchain. We patented the voice over blockchain at that time, so it was even more challenging to implement the voice over blockchain in a computer as well. Why only handheld voice over blockchain? Why don't we bring it over our main to the computers as well? And at the same time, give them the opportunity of using the regular operating systems, as you know, Windows, the applications over Windows, and so on. So the WIM comes to help both the blockchain-related jobs and the regular jobs. It comes with two operating systems in parallel. The Crypto Data OS, which is completely built from scratch, tailor-made for our community, for our family, for the blockchain users, for the blockchain community, as well for the neighbors. The neighbors who just process text, send Skype messages, and browse the email. Let me show you something more on the big screen behind me, so you better understand it.
So es.
Over blockchain. Yep, a new fruit of our main. Our main made possible a new device. Without the main existence, without KARATBARS, without our family, without crypto data, this would have never been possible. Because it all relies on our developed main. Let's see what it does. This is a toy. It's a cool one. Let's see, hardware-wise, all the features. It's got it. A super cool, generous 14.1 display. It's a super cool IPS display. 2018 introduced, 2019 firstly launched, 2019 late produced, state-of-the-art Intel i3 CPU. That's the processor, that's the brain. 8 GB of RAM, huge generous battery, Bluetooth, Ethernet, HDMI, latest state-of-the-art USB 3.0, Type-C connectors. Fingerprint readable to secure your assets, to be encrypted with your private keys, to be encrypted with your passwords, so nobody can hijack your assets. Nobody can hijack your identity, not even accessing the physical computer. It's impossible. That's history. Nobody can extract one letter of your information from your computer anymore. 512 gigabytes SSD state-of-the-art. Dual operating system. Exactly as I said, the neighbors or the grandma can still use it to watch soap operas, and you can use it for operating our ecosystem. You can use it for operating the key merchant. It has a super cool GPU, so a graphic card, metal case, and more. The unique private key. The unique private key, first introduced with this tiny device. Do you remember it? Do you know it? Do you have it?
Yes.
The same product from this device can be used in that device.
Oh, wow.
From the little brother to the super cool senior. The private key is the same. The private key is compatible. It can transfer, unlike usual keys, unlike usual hardware private keys. It can store all your blockchain assets. It can secure your blockchain identity. This is who you are. You are this identity. You have here, of course, in backup, your assets, your blockchain, your identity, your blockchain number, and everything is held and handled and encrypted and released, sent over using this tiny device. You already know it, you already know the concept, and you already know the patent we've applied for this device that powers and helps for the security and for the encryption of your assets. It has as well, let me see what else it has. A super cool secondary display to help you with the day-by-day needs, with the day-by-day operations you may use, with the day-by-day key merchant operations you may handle. Also, there is a SIM card slot inside. Wi-Fi connectivity, SIM card connectivity for internet, so you could rely on the voice of a blockchain wherever you go. In a car, in a plane, in a bus, going to work, going back from work, going to camping. You can access your blockchain projects, you can access your blockchain assets with this device having a 4G connectivity, being online every single moment of your existence, of course, if you want. What else it can do? What's the other cool features it can do?
Wow.
Or let's do something else, it's even better. Let me show you how it works, and then I'll explain you what we developed.
What is
first laptop in the world that works on VoBP, Voice over Blockchain Protocol. How does it work? Crypto data engineers analyzed and applied functions from the following areas: astronomy, maths, physics, psychology, sociology, economy, telecommunication, and informatics. To make things easier to understand, we will present a short demonstration. Let's think that a galaxy is a blockchain. More galaxies form the universe, but the universe has unique properties that we all know. It's infinite and it's expanding. Blockchain is defined like a virtual reality which works by clear rules from the beginning. So blockchain's ecosystem is increasing continuously because possibilities to create a blockchain are infinite, and the number of blockchains is multiplying year by year. A mathematics principle teaches us the following. Between 2 points, we have an infinite number of points. So we apply this principle in Witt's algorithm. This helps us to create an infinite number of connections. So the device is sending the same information in all blockchain in the same time to interrogate which one is the fastest. This is how we get a full-speed connection. Authenticity of all users and information are verified by decentralized methods using miners all over the world. These methods improve security because they eliminate the human factor and third party. After security check pass, the ecosystem opens a communication channel which uses more private keys and encryption methods. Imagine the ERC20 is a language which can be understood only by us. It's like we have our own dialect. To improve the communication system, WIM is using an innovative algorithm which increases the encryption difficulty with every sent message. So, if someone wants to join our conversation and learn our language, they must be accepted by both of us. Because privacy and security are our top priority, WIM is using an extra protection algorithm against blockchain attacks. For example, in the worst case scenario, even though it is almost impossible, if somebody has huge costs to get more than 50% plus one blockchain hash power or blocks, it will take 3 days to hack a blockchain. Our software changes communication channel every 10 minutes using special techniques. These techniques are constantly improving using AI and machine learning.
Going back 4 months in KARATBARS. You all know KARATBARS, right? What is KARATBARS?
Exchange.
Our exchange. KARATBARS is our cryptocurrency exchange. Going back 4 months ago, one of the coolest security features we've lately implemented is the unique token in an email. Used it? Have you ever used it? So, every time you get an email from KARATBARS in the past 4 months, you've most likely noticed in a footer, there's a unique generated token. You can use that token to verify the genuineness of that email. You can check whether it was sent from the corporate or not. You can check whether you're the real destination, what timestamp it wears, and who is the real sender. And I never told you, but that was the first stage of our mainnet release when we started to test and implement the encrypted, decentralized emails sent over blockchain. Going to the specifications and what the WIM can do. Yes, it can do secure emails wearing a blockchain signature, being blockchain encrypted over our mainnet. Yes, from today onwards, whether you're sending an email to the corporate, whether the corporate is sending you an email,